Right, folks, now not only is the UK #1 but current form in the world, there are thousands amongst thousands of competitors out there today, so we're really happy we've got something in store for you. It's going to be great to see him out on the flat water again. Hopefully his wind won't keep up through his set, slows it down a little bit. Here we go. The eyes off his spot, grips it back round. Here we go, round one. Oh, one-footed back flip, nice work with the UK champ. Right, that's how it's done. Michael said, don't need hands. Liam comes back with, I don't need feet. Here we go. Round two. Oh, a one-handed barrel roll. Into a 180, into a backflip, a three-move combo, make some noise. Wow, the competition is fierce. A number of moves that go head-to-head. Let's see what he can pull out for his last final trick. Third final round. That's what he made up. Solid backflip. Into a second. A third. A fourth. A fifth. 5 backflips in a row. Yes. Come on, Team UK! Wow. Are you dizzy, Liam? A little bit dizzy? All right. Okay, but